Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the GoodBudget application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in GoodBudget and start your search. Once you find the GoodBudget application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the GoodBudget application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on this button in order to open up the application. Then you can simply sign up to create a new account if you don't have one already, or you may log into your existing one to start using the GoodBudget application on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the GoodBudget application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to never miss more updates from us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.